I'm currently in my era. Because when people ask me how I'm doing, I'm like...
Promise. Always wanted to be famous, just being real, yeah, just being honest. My haters won't always be nameless, give them no clout, I give them no power. Creators built different, they ancient, sooner than later, all will be ours. I keep an eye out for the numbers, I stay in contact, synchronization. To infinity, even beyond it, I am a common, no destination. A lot of things I am above, and there are a lot of things that are above me. Do not come for the people I love, cause then I get scary, then I get uglier. Ain't no problem, I'm the equation. Present, loaded, observation. I'm not looking, reborn, creation. Come and find me, sending location. Ain't no problem, I'm the equation. Present, loaded, observation. I'm not looking, reborn, creation. Come and find me, sending location.
Everybody wanna go when it's go time. So I pray for my foes on the front line, that my board never miss when it's wartime. I get, when I'm finished I say, send your soul, pay the toll for the boat ride. No one knows where we go, only most high. So we do what we do for the bloodline. I get, ain't nobody